Hey guys, welcome back to JC Tech Tips. And in this episode, we will talk about sound grenade or the stun grenade. So, it's also a type of grenade because when we throw it after pulling the trigger, it will spread very much light and a great sound over 170 decibels, which can sorry which can cause any person a temporary injury, not a permanent injury, a temporary injury. This is used for self-defense in many regions, but it is also very helpful. And it is also very helpful because it will cause the person temporary injury in the ear, and he can't see anything for at least 5 seconds, I mean 5 minutes. So anyone can run away after throwing this grenade. So that's all for this video. I will post the video next video today only, and please subscribe, like my channel, share my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.